So the overall theme of EDF this year is exploiting data integration. And where do you see the highest potential for business cases and societal impact regarding innovation around data integration?
Well, I think data integration is a very good theme. It's really is to the point. It's all about typically getting the data, understanding the data, and then generating value out of the data. Now, if you look at, for example, a park of wind turbines, you have a lot of very different data, heterogeneous data. For example, sensor data coming from the wind turbine itself. At the same time, you have external data like weather forecasts or load prediction from the energy utility. And also the wind turbines are connected to one another to optimize around themselves regarding the shadowing effects. So you have very different types of data. So integrating data from different data sources that are having a very different structure is key when it comes to data analytics. It's not only about the amount of data, it really is also about integrating different data sources. Therefore, I think the theme is very appropriate.
Okay, is there any favorite success story about data integration?
I mean, I just mentioned this one example from the wind turbines. This really is where you are integrating, or where we are integrating, very different data structures, very heterogeneous data. Sensor data representing one value, a complete weather forecast or complete load prediction. We are connecting the systems to one another, generating a web of systems. So to me, this is a favorite example. Also because we have been able to prove that we can generate 1% more of energy, which results in 1% higher profitability for our customers.
So this year is the 4th edition of European Data Forum. So how do you like EDF this year? And why do you think the forum is important for the European data economy?
Well, I think it's very important for the European data economy. I mean, the EDF is a forum that brings together basically all stakeholders, all potential stakeholders, as we are striving to drive the European data economy. We have here large industry, we have small companies here, we have the public sector, we have the private sector, we have research institutions, we have academia. So really this allows us to exchange our views. It allows us to learn from one another, to share our views. So I think it's a great forum.
Big data and smart data are the most popular data trends these days. Where do you see the biggest challenges regarding these trends for Europe? And where is Europe already leading in these areas?
When it comes to what you're just mentioning, I prefer to look at this as big opportunities rather than big challenges. Because if we build on our legacy and our strengths, which is in manufacturing across many different domains, where Europe or the industry in Europe is traditionally very strong. And if we manage successfully to combine the know-how we have in all these vertical industrial markets, as well as the engineering we have, the engineering know-how we have in all the different disciplines with data analytics, then nobody else will be able to create as much value from the data we are generating and we are using and we are importing, in terms of data integration. Nobody else will be able to generate as much value as we can. It's a long path. We need to be very dedicated and very focused, but I see this certainly in some cases a challenge, but mostly I do see that this is a large opportunity for all of us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.